right over the top of it. Oh, that is scary. Oh my gosh.
Imagine witnessing a high-speed chase that ends in a Hollywood-style crash, or a daring escape caught on camera just seconds before disaster strikes. Sounds unreal, right? But these jaw-dropping moments actually happened, and they were all captured on video, from heart-stopping lightning strikes to unbelievable feats of survival. We're about to take you on a wild ride through the most incredible moments ever recorded. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, because reality truly is stranger than fiction. Let's get started. The tension was high as the race began, but for one driver, things didn't start as planned. William Buick, on Blue Trail, seemed unprepared, and chaos followed. Amidst sharp turns and tight competition, War Seahorse, in a maroon jacket, managed to shine despite early setbacks. The crowd held their breath as Grenoble flew past the finish line to claim second, followed by a spectacular performance from Warhorse in third. It was a race that kept everyone guessing until the very end.
Throughout here, Herbert's Reign on the far side of Swilcan Bridge. Warhorse is running on well now in third. Swilcan Bridge is wearing down Herbert's Reign. Warhorse and Grenoble is flying home from the back. Swilcan Bridge. Grenoble slightly hampered by the loose horse. Close home, maybe just second. Warhorse in there pitching as well. And then Herbert's Reign in fourth.
A dust devil recently swept through a soccer field in Achocala, Bolivia, briefly interrupting a local match. Players and referees quickly moved aside as the whirlwind crossed the pitch, causing no injuries or significant damage. Dust devils, though often harmless, can reach wind speeds up to 60 miles per hour.
Se lo va a comer al árbitro, se lo comió nomás. Vuela algo, vuela una cosa más. Espero que no llegue por acá, hay que sostener todo lo que tenemos en nuestro lugar. El remolino, primera vez que estoy viendo un remolino en vivo y directo aquí en la Deportiva. Esto no era un tornado.
In Rochester, New York, a peaceful neighborhood was turned into a movie set on June 15, 2022, when two young men, Java Marshall and Nasir Stefano, led police on a high-speed chase. Their black SUV spun out of control, crashing dramatically into an apartment complex. A doorbell camera captured the moment, with a little girl outside on her tricycle witnessing the chaos. Thankfully, her parents acted quickly, and everyone, including the little girl, escaped unharmed. The building, however, wasn't as lucky, suffering extensive damage from the crash. A storm in Rochester brought destruction when powerful winds caused a crane to topple onto an apartment complex. The container smashed through windows and collapsed the roof, leaving a path of devastation. While no one was hurt, the slow pace of repairs left residents frustrated. Storm Kathleen's fury was a stark reminder of nature's unpredictability.
Run! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Hi, Puppy! You alright? Yeah, we're alright.
Her dad's coming picking her up, but thank you. You stay there.
In September 2023, a group of bikers in Thailand faced nature's wrath after days of heavy rain. What started as a muddy ride turned into a battle against a flash flood. One rider was swept away, leaving his friends anxiously searching for him. After tense moments, the biker emerged unscathed, though his bike wasn't so lucky. Stranded by the flood, the group had to wait for the waters to recede before continuing their journey.
Một đi.
March 19, 2017, two Russian construction workers found themselves in a precarious situation. While cutting support rods on a bridge, one worker filmed as the other narrowly escaped disaster. The bridge collapsed, forcing the man to jump to safety. Thankfully, he avoided injury despite the steel rods surrounding him. It was a real-life cartoon moment, except this time, it wasn't funny.
И он повисит вот на той центральном. Я ж сказал,
Two friends set up a peaceful midnight meal on tarpaulin, but the wind had other plans. Out of nowhere, a pink trampoline, possibly from a nearby playground, slid across the parking lot, disrupting their dinner. One man stood frozen in frustration as his noodles were stolen by Mother Nature. The bizarre scene, complete with a flying pink guitar trampoline, left everyone baffled. A family on a beach in Saudi Arabia witnessed a once-in-a-lifetime event. A massive bolt of lightning struck just feet away from one man, nearly turning him into a human lightning rod. Capturing lightning on camera is rare enough, but recording it as it almost hits someone, that's next-level incredible. Luckily, he walked away unharmed with an unforgettable story to share.
أنا أسوار ما شاء الله أنا أسوار ما شاء الله
In Yuba City, California, a truck's dash cam captured a car becoming airborne, narrowly missing power lines before crashing onto Highway 99. The vehicle rolled multiple times, scattering debris, but the driver survived with minor injuries.
I hope they wash my truck tomorrow. There's two more things I need to put on that list. Oh my God. 911, 911.
Thanks for watching these unbelievable moments. Remember, life can change in an instant, so stay safe and always expect the unexpected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more incredible content. See you next time.